Hello, Bodkin here. Well, before mobile phones were absolutely on the market and as popular as they are today, the humble landline phone was a big thing. Many people who are a bit younger than me wouldn't have always come across a landline phone. How these work, they plug directly into a phone socket down there, and they are can be a bit clunky at times. I mean, many people remember who grew up in the 80s and 90s, the old dial phones where you put your finger in and dialed it round to get the number. But yeah, it's just a nostalgia video, really.